Get back up there.
Come on, you gotta finish her. You can't stop. Ain't hitting a damn thing.
You gotta find the hole, Carmelo. He's like, she's intimidating. Wow.
Your first push in, you can't even hit the hole. He's like, yeah, I'm kissing you. I'm kissing you. What, you want her to give you a blowjob or something? You gotta finish her off, man. She's getting pissed at you. He's like, here, give me a kiss. See, you pissed her off. You wouldn't finish. You better hurry and finish her. You ain't done yet. You gotta finish her. She's gonna get pissed at you, man. She's gonna turn around and beat you up. What, you want her to strap on a dildo and do you next? It's okay, Daddy.
Oh my God.
Out of breath?
awful happy now, maybe. Nope, you're still going at it.
Wow.
I think all the juice.
She's pissed.
Give me a kiss.
Wow.
There you go, Carmelo. I got her butthole open for you. Oh, she's getting pissed, man. There you go.
You drink it all. My goodness, look at that.
Pretty damn bad. I gotta hold you up and show you how to do this shit.
Goodness. You finished it off. You finished it off.